Hi, I'm Blake.
Hi, I'm Ellie.
And today we're going to take you on a nature walk and show you
About diversity.
Up there was a bird's nest.
Those birds hatched from an amniotic egg that their mother laid.
Birds also have an endoskeleton, which means that their skeleton is on the inside of their body and not the outside. Wait, Ellie, before we go, I have something to show you.
Really?
Yeah. These are my frogs, Ellie.
Did you know that frogs are amphibians?
Oh, that's cool. Did you know that frogs are eukaryotic?
That's so cool.
I know.
This is a leaf that has cuticle, guard cells, and stomata.
This leaf has a cuticle, which is a clear waxy covering that helps water to get off of it so the leaf is waterproof. The stomata are pores that allow the plant to take in oxygen.
The guard cells help the plant from losing too much water.
Those are characteristics that every plant has to help them live. Okay, let's start our walk. After the stomata, cuticle, and guard cell were formed, non-vascular plants were developed.
This is moss, which is a non-vascular plant. After that, vascular tissue is formed, which leads to ferns.
Vascular tissue are transport tubes that transfer nutrients and water.
These are pollen grains. We see so many of them because they reduce bioprobability. Since seeds and pollen grains were created,
It led to cone-bearing plants. This is a pine tree, which is a cone-bearing tree.
also known as a conifer. Pine trees produce pine cones. Then flowers and fruit came along.
Flowers are pollinators, and a fruit is anything around a seed that helps it travel.
The fruit attracts the animals to come and eat the seeds, and then the animals travel and they defecate it, and then it causes new plants to grow.
Hypha is one strand of mycelium, which is found all throughout soil.
You want mycorrhizae in your soil to help your plants grow stronger and longer. Oh my gosh, it's a mushroom!
A mushroom is a fungi that uses spores to reproduce in the wild. Here's another example of a mushroom.
Algae and fungi have a symbiotic relationship, and when they come together, they make lichen. This is more lichen. All these plants around us grow with photosynthesis.
Most fish are ectotherms because they use the surrounding water around them to control their temperature. Most fish are ectotherms because they use the surrounding water around them to control their temperature.
The other day we were down here and we found a turtle and a snake, which are both examples of reptiles.
Turtles and snakes are both ectothermal. Ectothermal means that they control their body temperature from the sun and other things around them and not within their bodies.
Turtles have an exoskeleton because of their shell, which protects them, whereas snakes have an endoskeleton, which makes them not as protected, and they also have a vertebrae, and an endoskeeleton means that their skeleton is inside their body.
Endoskeletons can sometimes have trouble with survival because they have nothing on the outer layer of themselves to protect them. Here's a bunny.
A bunny is a mammal, which means that they have mammary glands and also fur.
Just like bunnies, humans are also mammals.
Meaning we are endotherms, which means we regulate our body heat from within. This is an ant, which is an arthropod. Arthropods dominate our world.
Ants also have an exoskeleton that's made of chitin.
Oh no, I think you have a virus.
Oh no, I'm probably a host of a lytic virus. Hopefully I don't get you sick.
Hopefully. When you have a lytic virus, it uses the host resources to create its offspring.
It then injects its genetic material into the cell, and then the enzymes read, code, and copy the genetic information.
Good thing you have a lytic virus and not a lysogenic virus, because Lysogenic viruses stay with you forever.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Viruses are abiotic, which means they are not living because they don't have cells or organelles.
Thank you for coming along on our nature walk.
Blake, I hope you feel better soon.
Oh, thank you, Ellie.